common questions I hear is, does chiropractic care hurt? Let me clear that up for you today. First, let's address the fear of the unknown. When people think of chiropractic adjustments, they often imagine loud cracks and pops. Yes, you may hear those sounds, but don't worry. That's just gas being released from your joints, similar to cracking your knuckles. It's completely normal and doesn't mean anything is being broken. The truth is, chiropractic care is designed to relieve pain, not cause it. For most patients, adjustments feel like a quick, controlled pressure in specific areas of your body, often followed by a relief of discomfort and increased mobility. Now, some people may experience mild soreness afterwards, kind of like how your muscles feel after trying a new workout. This is just your body's adjusting to proper alignment and typically fades within 24 to 48 hours. If you've been living with back pain, neck pain, or stiffness, I can tell you this: the temporary soreness, if anything, is nothing compared to the lasting relief and healing you can achieve through chiropractic care. So the next time you wonder, does it hurt? Remember this: chiropractic care is about helping your body work and feel its best, and will always tailor your treatment to your comfort level. Take the first step. Your body will thank you. Dr. Madeline here at Ford Spine Center, and thank you for allowing me to be part of your health journey.